Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail R. Carmelin bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. Professor Leonardo Miklinas at the Unisalis Salesian University Center in Vitória has been invited by the Brazilian Paralympic Committee to coach the Brazilian swimming team at the Paris 2024 Paralympic Games, scheduled in the French capital from 28 August to 8 September. For the professor of the Salesian Institute, it is a childhood dream, a very special moment. Professor Miklinas has been teaching at the Unisalis in Vitória since 2008 and has previously trained two Paralympic athletes who won medals in Rio de Janeiro in 2016 and Tokyo in 2021 respectively. In June, he had accompanied Peratrai athlete Marie Gesteira, who achieved a new American record in the 100-meter backstroke at the Berlin World Series. The 25th World Congress of Philosophy, held in Rome from August 1st to August 8, 2024, has drawn to a close, leaving behind a legacy of rich intellectual exchanges and profound reflections. Under the theme Philosophy Across Boundaries, this Congress brought together philosophers, scholars and thinkers from across the globe to engage in meaningful dialogue on the future of human societies, focusing on the urgent challenges of our time. The Congress was marked by the participation of many distinguished contributors, each bringing unique perspectives to the table. As the only Salesian participant, Archbishop Emeritus Thomas Menamparampal, SDP, brought a unique perspective to the 25th World Congress of Philosophy. Campo Bosco 2024 took place on 16, 17 and 18 August, in which 340 young people from the Salesian Youth Movement SYM from the 6 countries of Central America participated. The delegations from each nation were accompanied by Salesians of Don Bosco, Daughters of Mary Help of Christians and Salesian cooperators with the theme Salesian Jesus Has a Dream for You, Let's Discover It Together. The participants had the opportunity to share an atmosphere of Salesian youth spirituality, where they could meet God in ordinary activities full of joy and optimism. Provincial delegates for Mission Animation PDMA from the CIVM Salesian provinces Africa, Madagascar met together at Don Bosco, Upper Hill, Nairobi from 17 to 21st of August 2024. It was a wonderful moment of interaction and networking for the PDMAs of the region, 15 provinces and 2 provincial delegations, though 2 could not be present due to travel issues. This coming together enriched each other with much needed information of the department that they are animating in the province and formation through well-prepared talks, sharing of ideas, group discussions and other interactions. The starting of Don Bosco Center at Chinchu was an answer to the clarion call of the congregation to move to the peripheries where our service is most needed and relevant. The Don Bosco Center, nestling at a vantage location, Chinchu, is about 650 kilometers away from Kathmandu, the capital of Nepal. The center has a lot to offer in this thinly populated province of Nepal in the field of education, pastoral care and social development. The nuncio's visit in 2022 was a landmark event of the center. The center, opened in February 2021, was the result of a long study and attempt of starting a Salesian presence in the western region of Nepal. This concrete action, in fact, was a direct fruit of the Silver Jubilee celebration of Salesian presence in Nepal 2017. So viewers, with that, we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.